How to optimize energy use in HVAC systems. Imagine walking into a perfectly comfortable room where the temperature is just right, and you know that it didn't cost a fortune to maintain that comfort. Optimizing energy use in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems can make that a reality. Let's break down how you can achieve this while keeping energy consumption low. First, consider investing in energy-efficient equipment. Modern heating, ventilation, and air conditioning units often come with variable speed motors and advanced compressors. These systems adjust their operation based on current needs, rather than running at full power all the time. This means less wasted energy and more savings on your utility bills. Next, smart controls can be a game changer. Programmable thermostats and building automation systems allow you to set precise temperatures and schedules. For example, you can lower heating or cooling during the night or when no one is home. This simple adjustment can lead to significant energy savings without sacrificing comfort. Zoning systems are another effective strategy. By dividing a building into separate areas with independent temperature control, you can heat or cool only the spaces that are occupied. This avoids wasting energy on unoccupied areas, aligning perfectly with the principles of thermodynamics by minimizing unnecessary heat transfer. Proper insulation is essential too. Insulating ductwork and building envelopes helps prevent heat loss or gain, while insulated ducts keep the conditioned air at the desired temperature, which means your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard. This directly reduces the energy needed to maintain comfortable indoor conditions. Energy recovery ventilation systems can also play a significant role. These systems capture heat or coolness from exhaust air and transfer it to incoming fresh air. This process preconditions the air, which reduces the energy required to heat or cool it further. By recycling energy that would otherwise be lost, you can improve overall system efficiency. Regular maintenance is vital for keeping your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems running efficiently. Cleaning or replacing air filters ensures good airflow, which prevents the system from working harder than necessary. Checking refrigerant levels and servicing components helps maintain optimal heat transfer performance. Neglecting maintenance can lead to increased energy consumption due to reduced system effectiveness. For advanced optimization, consider real-time monitoring and control. Using sensors and data analytics allows operators to fine-tune system performance continuously. Automated controls can adjust start and stop times, airflow, and temperature settings based on actual conditions. This further reduces energy waste and enhances comfort. Lastly, artificial intelligence and Internet of Things technologies are becoming more common in optimizing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. These technologies analyze data to make precise adjustments that lower energy use while maintaining comfort. This can lead to energy savings of around 15% or more. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize energy use in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. This not only saves energy and lowers costs but also supports environmental sustainability. So, take these steps to create a comfortable space while being mindful of energy consumption.